I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my new favorite pork tenderloin dishes. I'm going to start by roasting a pork tenderloin in my wood-fired oven. I'm going to finish it with an ancho honey chili glaze. This adds a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness, and it really pairs well with the pork. This is my adaptation of a recipe by Bobby Flay on the Food Network. Now, Bobby came up with the original. I made some tweaks for my personal taste, but this is a fantastic way to cook pork. It's easy to do, and it's right here on Austin Eats. I'm going to begin by removing some of the fat and silver on the side of the tenderloin. Just put a little paring knife in there and slide it down and it'll come right off. Then I'm going to season it generously with salt, pepper, and my chili powder mix. I'm using a mixture of ancho chilies and New Mexico chili powder. Rub that in and make sure you do both sides of the roast. Then it goes into a skillet on medium heat and I brown it on both sides. Time to light the wood-fired oven. My honey glaze is very easy to make. To my honey, I'm going to add some ancho chili powder, some New Mexico chili powder, some red pepper flakes, some Dijon mustard, salt, a little pepper, and whisk that together, and my glaze is done. Time to get this roast in the oven. Instructions for doing this in your oven are in the comments below, but this was a lot more fun, and it smells fantastic. Spoon the glaze over the roast, and you've got a fantastic pork tenderloin. Thanks, Bobby Flay. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.